Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me yet, this is Giuseppe and the channel you are watching is the channel of the Italian Keto guy. In my channel I have delight in transforming, in turning recipes with a high number of carbohydrates into their equivalent one, the keto one, whenever it is possible. And the channel is getting a great success thanks to you because the idea was liked by so many people. And I have been following the keto lifestyle, not the diet, since the 15th of July 2018. And I have been enjoying the optimal weight, the health, a lot of energies, and the health body without inflammation. Today I'm going to show you the last recipe of the year, the white nougat or turron. I heard somewhere turron, Turron. Anyway, nougat is the most most common used word, I think. And in Naples they call it the nougat of the dead ones because of the 1st of November, and also the shape resembles the, oh my goodness, the wooden box where you put the corpse inside. I don't remember now the name in English, I'm sorry. I always do this. Anyway, we call it the white nougat of the living ones because we are alive and healthy in keto. Before showing you how to make this recipe, a recommendation: we had to reach higher temperatures, so with the Isomalt, the sweetener I used in this recipe, so no children around because it could be very dangerous for them. The Isomalt reaches a temperature of 130 Celsius degrees, so be careful when you do this recipe. Having said this, let's jump straight away into the preparation of the white nougat of the living ones. Here is an overall of all the ingredients: 200 grams of Isomalt. You can get it from my Amazon shop. 100 grams of erythritol, 4 tablespoons of water, 150 grams of toasted hazelnut, 70 grams of egg white, just 70 grams. Put a saucepan on a very low flame. Put the Isomalt, the sweetener, and the 4 tablespoons of water, and then wait. As I said, the flame should be very low. I will show you in a moment. Yeah, start stirring until you see when you see this stage, stop stirring. In the meantime, beat the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. And then with a thermometer, a kitchen thermometer, just check if the boiling sweeteners will reach the temperature of 130 Celsius degrees, and then pour very slowly. Be careful because it's very hot. The liquids inside the egg whites, and keep beating them, whipping them until for a few minutes. Yeah. Put everything, all the boiling sweeteners inside, little by little, yeah, and then keep beating for a couple of minutes, just to make all the ingredients together. And then put them back in the saucepan you used before to add the hazelnuts. Yeah, do this for a couple of minutes more, and then transfer the whole content back to the saucepan. You see it's getting thick already. And then add also the hazelnut, the pistachio, the almonds, whatever you like. Do not make a mix, I suggest you, because they could increase the number of carbs. Pour everything in an aluminium tray, a disposable one or whatever you want to use, and 2 hours in the freezer to make the nougat hard. After that you can cut it, and this way now I use some oat fiber to resemble the buffer, the buffer paper, and also to avoid the nougat to be sticky when you take it within your hands. Or if you want, instead of the oat fiber, it is more similar to the plain flour, you can use some powdered erythritol, powdered swerve, powdered stevia to do this operation. Yeah, this is the one I sell in the Italian one, but I have uploaded few in the American one. And here we are, the last tasting of the year. Let's see this white nougat, how it came out. It came out deliciously well. Indeed, one of the best conversion ever on the channel. The taste of the toast hazelnuts blended with the sweetness of the isomalt, the erythritol, gives this product a sublime taste. Believe me, I'm not exaggerating. Try it. Maybe it's the toast hazelnuts. I don't know. I haven't tried with pistachios or with almonds, but this one with hazelnut is the same as the original one with honey and sugar. The original one is made with honey and sugar. Believe me, I can't find any difference. I ate the traditional nougat as well in the past while I was destroying my body, but anyway, this is something else with sugar, and I can't find any difference at all. Really, really good conversion. Isomalt. Let's spend a couple of words on the isomalt. It's a sweetener belonging to the family of the polyols. I don't know if it's correct, my pronunciation. Anyway, so like erythritol, you subtract those polyols from the number of carbs and you have 0 carbs. But unfortunately, it has a glycemic index of 2. While erythritol, stevia, whatever, Locanto, all based on stevia and erythritol, they don't. They have 0. What is the glycemic index? Well, basically it's the speed of a food to spike the glycemic, to increase the glycemic. So the higher is the number, the faster is the glycemic to increase in the blood, in the blood, and then the insulin has to lower it down. It's true that the glycemic index of isomalt is close to 0. But personally, I don't feel like suggesting you to use this sweetener every day, like we do with erythritol or whatever. It's best to use only in particular times, like this one, the festivity we are living in. So do not use every time. Some of you could be insulin resistant, for example, or some of you may drink more coffee more than one coffee in a day, so you keep putting isomalt, for example. I suggest you not to use it, but anyway, I told my opinion. Of course, you do like you feel. The carbs. Why don't you put the carbs in your recipes? Because I want to be different, and the carbs are coming only from the pistachio, if you put pistachio, from the almonds, or from the hazelnut, in this case the hazelnut. So read the label on your the package of the hazelnut you are using and do the calculation. In my case, there were 8 grams out of 100 grams of product, so we use 150, so 8 plus the half of 8 is 4, 8 plus 4 is 12. The whole 3 bars of nougats contain 12 grams of carbs. So you divide by 3, for example, because they came out 3 of them, so 12 divided 3 is 4. The whole bar contains more or less 4 grams of carbs. We are not going to eat the whole bar, do we? Anyway, this is the last recipe of the year. The next recipe will be the flourless chocolate coffee cake. It's on the channels for 1 month ago. I uploaded it, but because of those festivity, I couldn't. It wouldn't make sense to release a recipe not in how can I say, in tune with the Christmas time. Anyway, it will be out on the 1st of January. The 6th of January, I will start releasing some savory recipes to balance the content of the sweet recipes on the channel. Too many because of those Christmas times. So I will make some more savory recipes. I will also do some video about the product on my Amazon shop. You can see the address here. Of course, without gluten-free. Of course, in a clean keto, we don't want to use any gluten. It causes some gut inflammation, leaky gut, for example, that in turn causes autoimmune diseases. So keep out from the keto. Anyway, my best wishes for the 2021. I wish you that this year will see your dreams fulfilled. And to do that, you have to do things you have never done to get results you have never never realized. Only by doing this, life will release its magic to you. By doing this, you have never done, and if you go out of the comfort zone. Best wishes to all of you, and thanks for your support is my strength. Ciao.